This is one of the coolest keyboards I have used. Let me show you the unboxing I did a couple weeks back. Even in the box, you can kind of get an idea of how compact this is. So there is a USB-C charging cable right here. So you can use this to charge the keyboard. So the keyboard has this pleather casing. So let's fold this out. You got the trackpad here, and then you can unfold the keyboard here. This is so cool that it actually has the 10 key. I do not like using keyboards without the 10 key. Man, is this thing small. Let's take this off the trackpad. This is actually a really good sized trackpad. I am surprised. Let me go ahead and plug this into the computer so it can charge. On the side here is where you plug in the USB. So there is an indication that it is charging, and then the on-off switch is to the side here. I do want to point out that when you have it plugged into USB, you cannot use it wired. You can only use this via Bluetooth. So in order to pair this, you turn the Bluetooth on. You'll see the Bluetooth light indicating that it's on, and then you do function and C for pairing, and then it shows up and you go ahead and pair it, and we are done. Hello, this is a cool keyboard. It has a 10 key. This is so nice. So the keyboard is split here, which is kind of an awkward place. Your home position's right here. Not really sure if my thumb should go here or here. So this does take some getting used to. The keyboard is now connected to my phone, so you can see I've got a cursor on my phone. I can swipe with 2 fingers to navigate through the different screens on my phone. I can do a 3-finger swipe as well to go to my recently used apps. This is actually pretty cool. So if I wanted to use this to send an email, I could use this to navigate. I really don't like using a phone to type, but if you have a keyboard like this, now I can use this to send an email. Okay, so I've got to admit it does take some getting used to, but if I actually look at the keyboard, it's mostly this area here that's kind of crazy because it just doesn't feel as natural. I'm kind of not, I expect my fingers to be in the middle of the keyboard where it's actually at the side, but this is really cool that you can use this to navigate on your phone. The touchpad actually works well. It's got a nice feel to it. It's got some nice clicking. Left click is normal, right click does right click. You can also tap to click. You don't have to click all the way down. Pretty impressive. This was sent to me so I could make this video, and I didn't really know what to think because it's kind of unique. It's got the trackpad, it's got the 10 key. For a foldable Bluetooth keyboard, that is kind of unique. As I already kind of talked about, this section here is kind of awkward for me, but the more you type on it, the more you get used to it, and the more you don't really notice that it's got the split down the middle with a smaller F key. The fact that it has a 10 key, I'm really impressed with. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the trackpad. I didn't expect to really like the trackpad, but this trackpad is better than the trackpad you see on most laptops. I'm not even kidding. This trackpad is impressive. I like using this trackpad. Overall, really impressive keyboard, especially if you use tablets or phones a lot for travel and you need a better way to type. You should definitely check this out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cool beans.